Welcome to STEM Academy. Wait a second. If you move 4 meters east and then 3 meters north, where area are you now? Can we simply add 4 plus 3 and say 7 meters? Not always. Let's draw the first vector. A equals 4 meters east. Now place the tail of vector B at the head of vector A, where B equals 3 meters north. Next, join the starting point and the ending point. This new arrow is called the resultant vector. Since these two vectors are perpendicular, we can use Pythagoras' theorem to find the magnitude of the resultant. R equals square root of A squared plus B squared. Substituting the values, R equals square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared, which is square root of 16 plus 9, giving square root of 25. Therefore, R equals 5 meters. This means the resultant vector has a magnitude of 5 meters. This method is called the triangle law of vector addition. In this law, we draw the first vector in its given direction, place the tail of the second vector at the head of the first vector, and the vector joining the initial point to the final point becomes the resultant vector. In other words, vectors are added head to tail, and the resultant is drawn from start to finish. That's why vectors aren't added like ordinary numbers. In vectors, direction matters just as much as magnitude.